Coming in, this is a CNN News 18 exclusive. Once again, let's talk about the kind of Baloch protests that have been unfolding in the deep state Pakistan. And in the latest, in fact, we're picking up more news on how the protest rally was attacked by Pakistan Army in Quetta. This was organized by the family members of Zahir Baloch, who forcibly disappeared on the 24th of June. Participants were attacked by the army, tortured because of staging this protest. We have a reaction as well on the protest that unfolded and the manner in which the Pak army once again mistreated these protesters. Listen in.
मामा कादिर बलोच, ये जो आज प्रोटेस्ट हुआ है जिस पर खवातीन के ऊपर जो है आर्मी ने काफी सारा वो किया है, प्रोटेस्टर्स पे फायरिंग वायरिंग, उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
हमारा ख्याल ये है कि ये धरना जो है ना काफी दिन से चल रहा है। यहाँ क्वेटा शहर का जो है ना मेन रोड है सरियाब रोड। यहाँ लवाकिन बैठे हुए हैं अपने प्यारों के लिए। खासकर अभी 10 दिन पहले ज़हीर बलोच को उठा के ये लोग ले गए थे। इनका फैमिली और हमारे लोग जितने भी थे वो सरियाब बैठे हुए थे धरना पे। आज जो है ना उन्होंने कहा कि हम एक रैली निकालेंगे और यहाँ आएंगे, रेड जोन यहाँ है, वहाँ रेड जोन आएंगे।
पर मामा, जिस तरह से ये फायरिंग दिखाई दे रही है उससे तो लगता है कि इन्होंने खवातीन को जबरदस्ती निशाना बना करके उनको मारने की कोशिश कर रही है।
ये 2 दफा किया, पहले तो वहाँ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बलूचिस्तान के सामने भी किया इन्होंने, फिर उनको उठाया, फिर दोबारा इन्होंने कहा कि हम शहर की तरफ आएंगे। अब शहर की तरफ आए तो रेड जोन पे पहुंच गए, फिर इन्होंने शेलिंग की और खवातीन को मारे भी, पीटा भी, घसीटा भी और उठा के ले गए। फायरिंग भी की काफी।
आपने सरकार से जितनी बार कोशिश करी उसमें कोई जवाब नहीं दिया?
हमें मिली है, उनमें 20,000 के करीब लाशें भी हमें मिली हैं।
Let me quickly take in a word from Major General S.P. Sinha joining us on the broadcast. General Sinha, you know, the sorry state of affairs in Pakistan stands exposed once again. This is how minorities continue to face persecution in Pakistan. These were protesters protesting against Zahir Baloch's disappearance. This happened on the 24th of June, and this is how the Pak army treated some of these protesters.
You see, Balochistan has never been psychologically, emotionally part of Pakistan, and Jinnah manipulated the situation and ensured and forced Balochistan to merge with Pakistan. Secondly, what is happening at present is that every army chief who comes, he tries to prove his worth on metal. He cannot fight against us. There he will lose, so he will lose his face. So he always tries to show its muscle power in Balochistan. And there is resort to such butchery. I am aware that the skulls of small children are drilled whole, and the ladies are picked up, the ladies are raped. So it's a total chaos and total butchery, and it's a Rakshasi approach by all Pakistan army. And the army chief of Pakistan wants to show that he means business and he is going to curtail all dissensions within the country, which is not possible. You are not able to control POK. Your forces surrender. You are scared to enter POK. Balochistan, you are using force. There also you are losing, and you have lost. You have had so many casualties fighting against BLA, Balochistan Liberation Army. So this is the crux. Every time Pakistan Army feels that they are insecure, they resort to all this. There is a problem at home. There is a political problem. There is an economic crisis. So how do you show? How do you defend the country from the wrath of the common man? The only way is to show your strength in Balochistan, try to do something in POK, and keep raising the Jammu and Kashmir issue. This is the problem. This is the strategy. And it has been happening time and again. And every time the new army chief will give a new name. That we are now going for the major offensive and this time we'll sort it out. You have never been able to sort out Balochistan.
Yes.
You've never been able to sort out Sindh. You've never been able to sort out POK. You are a coward army. You are good for nothing. You only know how to make money.
That's why people from Balochistan, General Sinha, want to seek refuge in India. They're speaking increasingly in favor of India. They believe that that is the way forward, and India is the only country that can actually, come out to serve them the manner in which Pakistan has failed to. Many thanks, General Sinha, for speaking to us here on CNN News 18. Quickly shifting our